how to transfer crypto from your Binance account to your Metamask wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Binance account, then go to your wallet section and open up your spot wallet. Over here, click on this option of withdraw, and suppose you want to withdraw USDC on the base network on the Metamask, simply select the coin. Then after that you would require an address. For this, simply open up your Metamask. In your Metamask you would find the address over here. Simply copy this address, and also on the left hand side you would be able to find different networks. Make sure that you are selecting the same network on your Metamask as well as on your Binance account. Simply select it. Then on your Binance account, simply paste the address that we just copied. After that, select the network. And since we selected base network on our Metamask, we will select the same over here as well. Then type the amount of USDC that you want to send. After that, click on withdraw. And this is how you would be able to send USDC from your Binance account to your Metamask account on base network. And this is how you do it. You can follow the similar process for other coins and networks as well. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.